are back for another day, and I am excited because yesterday we came out with a win, and today we may do the same if all the stars align. All right, everything is already uploaded for us. No need to do that and show you guys the upload process, because if you watched all the videos or some of the videos, that upload process is in there. All right, let's take a look at gold and see where we at. Now, the purpose of these things is not just to like upload, get a alert, and it's to learn as well. You know, we have to learn as we go, because the goal is not to use this all the time. The goal is to be able to point these things out for yourself, and then for you to be able to teach others how to trade. So this program or software is designed to help you learn as you go, basically. Learn as you go software. That's what it is. Help you to trade. All right, so let's look at gold and see where we at. So we got gold is in a bullish recovery phase, but showing consolidation after hitting resistance near 48.75. What is consolidation? Consolidation is this. Things that's just in, let's go to 30 minutes. In here, look at this. Consolidating. Chop. We call this chop. That's what we call it. But this is consolidation. It isn't going below this line or above this line, which is support. Remember, support the floor and resist the ceiling. Support the floor, resist the ceiling. It ain't breaking any of this. No one wants to be free. Everybody is a slave. All these candles are slaves. That's what I say. No one wants to be free. Look at here. He trying to be free though. He trying to be free. Look at that. He already above the line. All right. And what was that? That's US 30. Look. All right. Let's go back though. Let's go. We didn't even check gold. This is gold. Why is gold down here? Gold should be up here. Gold always should be number one. All right. Gold. Look at gold. It's consolidating, guys. It's just in the chop. He wanted to be free, but he got scared. He got caught. He got caught by the dogs. Bet. All right. That's what consolidation means. No entry yet. Structure is forming. 2 scenarios to watch for as the session opens. We got our 30-minute close below 4,800 and our 30-minute close before 48.75, which is these numbers, right? 48.75, 4,800. All right, so let's look at the full analysis breakdown, man. The daily is bullish. 4 hours mixed. We know what mixed means, meaning no clear direction. And then we got bullish. So we got daily and a 1 hour bullish, but we need that 4 hour to be bullish as well if we want a strong setup. When all 4 of those align, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, they all bullish, man, your confidence go way up. Even if you was to lose a trade, you knew that like you was going with the trend though. Going with the trend means basically going with bullish on the 4 hour, and going with bullish on the 1 hour. We don't trade 5-minute candles. I got people who trade 5-minute candles, bro, trying to catch money in these candles, bro. That's moving this fast. People actually trade on 1-minute charts. We don't do that, bro. We stick with what the daily say. This is the master. He's the general, bro. He's the general. The daily is your general, bro. So I try to go with the daily mostly. But all right, let's go with the key levels. Holding here keeps the bullish structure intact for another push higher. 48.75 breaking above confirms continuation. We're looking for 4,900 plus in targets. And 47.80 is closing below, negates the current bullish setup and suggests deeper pullback. All right. So we got a 65% score. 3 time frame alignment. If you don't know what these means, it's always just hover over the check mark and it tells you what those mean. And it tells you the why. Daily structure shows clear bullish recovery from March lows. 4 hour is mixed, which means it has no clear direction, with recent rejection at highs creating uncertainty. 1 hour maintains bullish. Bias above 4,800 support. Pre-market timing prevents A plus execution grade. Remember, when we upgrade, it's never going to give us, when we upload at 7 a.m., 7:30, because that's all pre-market, it's never going to give us a grade because the market isn't open, right? Oh, now the market is open, y'all. The market is open now. Damn, I didn't even mention that. All right, but cool. Market is open now. But before, when you upload before that time, it doesn't give us a grade unless it only gives a grade when one of these confirms. That's when it gives us a grade. All right. So let's go back. So we got gold at 65%. We got NAS100 at 65%. Same thing, guys. Conflicting signals with daily bearish. Let's look at the full analysis. What they saying? Daily is bearish. 4 hours is bullish. 1 hour is bullish. So if that was bullish, so it tells you everything. This is, when you're looking at market structure, bro, when you look at the chart, this is the story, bro. What is it telling you, man? The daily is bullish. Or is it going up? Is it going down? Is the 4 hour going up? Is it going down? The 1 hour going up? Or is it going down? Bullish means going up. Bearish means the market is going down. This tells you the story, bro. That's all you need. You need what is the story, bro? That's all I care about. Right? So then you look at your key levels. If price holds here, the bullish spiral structure remains intact. If price breaks above this level, it confirms continuation higher. If price falls below this level, it breaks the 1 hour bullish structure, guys. All right, so we got our 65% confidence score on this one. And then it tells you the why. Everything's the same, man. It's all set up for you to succeed. Everything is set up for you to succeed, man. You just have to follow what it's telling you to do and continue to learn this stuff. Continue to learn, continue to learn, continue to learn, bro. That's all you gotta do. Yeah, it's 35% confidence score. So I don't really keep an eye on that one. When it's like this, I really try to I don't know. But if it hit those numbers, then it hit those numbers. Like we're doing US oil today. I did US oil today. So we're gonna take a look at it. Let's take a look at US oil, bro. Let's go to the 30-minute. Look, chopping. This is what consolidation means. Just staying in the zone. Who wants to be free? Who don't want to be a slave no more? Which candle is it? So we gotta see. Oil moves really slow, man. That's why I haven't been doing it this entire time. It's not high volatile. Volatile means volatile means prices that moves fucking fast. That's what volatile means. Prices that move fast. Gold moves fast, bro. Look at that. Look at this. Fast. It's moving fast. So look at that. Fast, right? This is what that means. Volatile. Or volatile. Right? It look like this one gonna break, y'all. Because we got till 8:40. I mean, not 8:40, I'm bad. We got till 9 o'clock. If that goes above this line, we'll see. We might have something going on at 9 o'clock. Or 9:30, sorry. So we'll see. We will see. All right, what else we got, man? That's coming up. What's this? NAS100. That's touching the line almost. Yeah, S&P. What's this one? S&P 500. I didn't put the alerts on there for that. What's going on, my boy? Let's do that right now. What was the alerts? No, that's not S&P, is it? Yeah, 6980. Holy crap, 6980. All right, there we go. 6980 for short setup. And then we got for long 7020. Well, that's all. It's on the line already, bro. What's going on, man? I didn't even set that. 7020. I see you. I see you. I see you. It's already hitting it. Okay, cool. All right, we're gonna be back at 9 o'clock. We're gonna see where we at. Who wants to break? Who wants to be free? Let's see who wants to be free. But all right, I'll be back. 8:55. All right, back. We are back. Look, somebody wants to be free. Somebody is breaking above the line that we need to confirm the long setup. And it's kind of convincing, right? It's convincing. We wanted it to go above 26.44, and it's at 26.67. That's down at 23 points over, right? That's what we want. That's a decent candle. That's a decent candle. More likely, this gonna retest. This gonna come back and hit that line for sure. But we got 15 seconds. It looks like it's going. Yeah, it looks like it's about to. Let's wait though. We gotta wait. We always wait. We want sure confirmation. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 26.069. 26.069 for NAS100, guys. 26.069. Confirm long back. Here we go. We there. Tier 1 confirmed above 26 at 26.069. Press in. You let it know the price. Bet. Now it is confirmed. We are in there. It highlighted green. You go in there. It gave us a grade of C, guys. Gave us a great C grade. This is still not an A+ setup. Still not an A+ setup. We haven't had an A+ setup in a minute. Alright, so now we wait for the 9:30 candle. And we come back here. Oh, I meant to show y'all. I made some updates. I forgot to show y'all. Look at this. Bam. We got the chart inside Omni, guys. However, these are the spot prices. This is the real S&P 500. I mean, NAS100. See, prop firm prices may different. For some reason, and TraderView don't let you use prop firm charts. So people who are trading regular, they can use the chart is right here for them, so they can watch the 30-minute candle. It's already set to the 30-minute for you, so you can watch the candle from here. And that's how you do it, guys. You watch the candle from here. But we don't need that because we're not using the regulars. We're using prop firms, so we had that. But just in case, I wanted to show y'all. And it looks cleaner, right? It looks way more cleaner for you. So now we just waiting on. Then we got here. We got the trigger close. We got the retest level. We got the stop. And your TP right here. All right. You got 28 minutes to 9:30. Let's go back to view plan. 30-minute candle closes above 26.44. 30-minute above this activation long. We got to set that. Daily time frame shows bullish structure with higher highs. Let's see. Let's go back to the daily time. See if it's bullish. No, it's bearish, so we can't check that. All these check boxes right here, it's gonna make it an A+ setup. It'll make it. It may not. The grade may not reflect that. It will change. But if you check all these off, that's an A+ setup. But that daily is still bearish. And then you can ask questions right here if you need to about this plan. Whatever question you want. Whatever question you want, you can ask it. How you feel? I feel anxious. Let's say I feel anxious. The anxiety is normal when waiting for confirmation, but it means the plan is working correctly. You're holding discipline instead of chasing price, which separates good traders from impulsive ones. Stay focused on the 30-minute close above 26.044. That's your only job right now. It helps you. All right? So we wait. Let's look at the other prices, though. Look at the other prices. Let's look at the other prices. That's not doing nothing. We already got tier 1 in. That one, he tried. He tried to be free. Look what happened, guys. This is what I mean. You have to wait for confirmation. Look what happened. Let's say you got in right there. Oh, it broke above the line. It broke above the line. And boom, tricks you. This is why market structure is the best way to go when you're trading. Right there. This is a fake out. But there's people who have systems that can catch this right here. Who knew this was going to go down. Right? We don't do that. We don't trade in here.
we have our system and we stick to it. And that's it. So now we got one that confirmed and we wait. We see where this one lands. That's all we got to do.
I'll be back around 9:55. Oh wait, I wanted to show y'all something too. Where we at in our prop firm. This is where we at for the week. Lost 100, made 200, but March I had 1 day of trading in March. That's when I started, and it was 300 something. I should have took a picture of that. But 100, 200, 115, no trading day because there was no trades to be made. Lost 200 because it closed out on its own. But hey, that's what it is. And then yesterday, guys, we made 588, 588.45. And then here's today. Let's see if we can duplicate what we did yesterday. All right, I'll be back.
All right, guys. Tier 2 has closed above pretty strong, too. And that's at 26,133. So let's put that in. Tier 2 confirmed at
26,133.
Let's see if this highlights. Yes, it did. Tier 2 confirmed, guys. It is time to put your limit order place in. Hands off, let the trade work. So now we got to put these numbers in. Let's go. Now I got to open trade copier, reconnect them. And it's no rush because it has to retest. So don't worry about rushing. Just get it in there, man. Just get it in there. Got to make sure the trade is working, guys. Trade copier is in. Make sure that's connected. These are all my prop firm accounts, and one trade copies all trades. So we gotta make sure I'm logged in on that. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Copy trade is in. All right, guys, let's go. Let's put this over here so we can see what we're doing. Now we know we need these numbers right here. So just put it to the side so you can see what you need to do. And then we lit. All right.
So we got a limit. I might do a market and a limit. I might do that, man. I might do that. Price, let's do a limit on a buy. 26,044. 1 unit. Let's do stop losses. 25. What is that? 25,819. 450, and then our TP is 26,200. Let's do 26.55. 26,255. Let's do that instead, guys. And do that. We got 4, 8, 12, 16. Over there. Let's put that in. Let's put that in. And that's it. That is it. Let's see who else closed, though. Let's see who else closed. Now go. Got that in. Oh, tier 1. Tier 1 on the on S&P 500. Let's put that in. Tier 1, S&P 500 on the loan. Let's see where it closed at. 70.30. 70.030. Let's double check. Yeah, about that. Yeah, about that. Put that in. Let's see if it changes. Tier 1 is activated, guys. Tier 1 is activated. We moving and grooving today. All right. Let's go back. See who else closed. See who else closed. Hell no. Oil? Nah, oil. See, this is why I don't fuck with oil, man. They move slow. But all right, we got 2 in. We got 2 tiers in. Let's see if this retests. But all right, guys, I'll be back. All right, we are back. We are back, and it looks like S&P 500 is about to close above this line. It's not that strong, but it doesn't matter because this bar is above the line. Like this right here, this bar isn't above the line, so that don't count, but this does. And it closed at 70.29. Let's do it. 70.29. What's this? This is, yep, 70.29. Tier 2 confirmed, guys. We're in it. We are in it. Put in a trade. Goodbye. Limit 7020. And then stop loss is 69.50. 69.50. Take profit is 70.50. And that is what it is. We're gonna wait till it come back down here. And maybe down here. We're gonna see. Let's do one right here. Let's do one right here. 70.14. Let's do 70.10. And then same 69.50. Price, take profit, 200. And then one more, 70.05. This one is not coming back, man. This one makes me upset sometimes, but they don't, like, it leaves without you, and you like, fuck, I should have just went in. But the system says retest. This is what it is. Sometimes you can do a market trade when you put it in right there, but sometimes that shit can bite you in the ass. So you just gotta pick and choose. But I'm gonna choose to do a retest, let it come back to me. I don't chase, and we win or we lose. That's it. But all right, I'll be back. I mean, my trades is in. I'll be back around 2 o'clock, 2:30, and show y'all where it's at. Peace. As y'all can see, it never came back down to retest. It almost did, but ended up leaving without me. But it is what it is. We come back tomorrow, same thing. Peace.